Hey guys, Logan Richardson, Season 4, Episode 19 of Arrow. Here we go. Oh god. Are they sitting on fake grass?
To fully grow and live out its purpose in this world is a life that has been taken from this earth.
I could probably say a few words.
What? 2013.
Tommy Merlin was
Oh my
one of the
god.
greatest people that I've ever known. He was so much.
Damn, that took that. I was like, what?
A billionaire playboy.
I don't understand. I'm sorry.
Oh god. This is a random girl.
I love you too. Give that baby girl a kiss from me. Didn't expect to see you standing there.
Where else would I go? World's leading expert in blaming yourself.
Facts. Facts.
You warned me over. Straight up, you warned me. If I'd listened to you instead of trusting my brother, Laura will be alive right now.
You can't know that.
Honestly, at the rate that this show goes, she'll be back in no time. I don't know how they're gonna explain bringing her back. We know that they're gonna do it. They're gonna do it. I know they're gonna do it.
Revolvers, 50 cal Desert Eagles.
Desert Eagle.
9mm semi-auto.
A 50 cal Desert Eagle is, well, that's what Desert Eagle typically takes. What?
So Sarah came back. All the crazy things that we've seen. Maybe my baby girl, maybe she's not gone.
I mean,
She literally took a bag of...
This is different. John's right. This bag from the hospital was supposed to contain all of Laura's belongings.
supposed to.
The sonic device is missing.
Dude, that explains it. There are people in and out of Laura's room. Doctors, nurses.
Someone's being
orders.
her right now.
Wait, you think someone took it?
Yeah. Laura.
Dude.
Now,
Dude.
you don't think that with everything that we have seen, that we've all seen, that there is a chance...
No, I mean, like, if any show's gonna bring a character back, I mean, this one's gonna.
No one
But
else can use that.
Right. What do you think?
it's too early. Not the literal episode after. Which, I mean, the actress is still here. This dude's gonna have a heart attack.
This person was wearing a sonic device. The same sonic device that was taken from Laura's belongings in her room.
Are you saying?
I have reason to believe that someone walked into her room and took it. Now can you put me on a path?
There's a frequent flyer.
What?
What does that mean?
A patient who pays repeated visits to the ER. Now, I've treated her a few
Hold up. Was it that girl that just walked by? That was the most obvious, like, why is this random girl walking right through their path? Like, if it was her, I swear to God. Like, literally, that was so obvious. This random girl walking right in between everybody.
I didn't know where else to go.
You want to come inside? Oliver, Tommy left you.
Laurel, I failed him. I came back from that island with another chance. It's a chance to help people. Maybe a chance to make this city better.
She doesn't know yet.
And I couldn't.
At the hospital, you said that you'd never forgive yourself for what happened.
Andy's working with Dark. Has been the entire time.
Yeah, well.
He helped him find the idol. Helped him out of jail. Oliver warned me, but I pretty much told him to go to hell. Laurel's dead because of me.
I don't know what happened. I wasn't there. I don't know what to say.
There's nothing to say.
Thank you for everything at the hospital. Alex Davis.
Damn.
You work for them!
Oh, shit. Who the hell are you? It's like a Black Canary, like, enthusiast or something.
Ollie,
What's going on?
Alex just got attacked by some girl wearing Laurel's sonic device.
You know where she went?
She looks so familiar. The actress looks so familiar.
Ward.
You left us! You left us at Reddington! You left us there to die. You failed this city.
What?
Sonic device is what shouldn't have done the damn thing.
But you said Cisco keyed it specifically to Laurel?
You should have only worked with Laurel.
The crazy part is that this girl is using it at much higher decibels than Laurel ever did.
Okay, so who is this girl?
Well, when she attacked Alex, she accused him of working for some...
Rouvet Dark.
The Sharp family.
That's her. That's her.
Mom and Dad's bodies were found 2 days after Christmas, cause of death hypoxia.
Could be Hodge's gas chamber.
What about the daughter?
And we did.
What do you mean?
All those people in Reddington.
Well, they're their own choosing,
And
Oliver.
we know that Hyde drugs people to make them susceptible to suggestion. She told me that we failed this city. And she's not wrong.
He's like, no one's ever told me that. Oh,
Thanks for
God.
coming.
I fear I lack the words to convey the true depths of my sympathy. To lose a child once is unimaginable.
Twice.
To be both children.
Listen, I know you and I haven't always been on the same side of things, but, Laurel, you know,
God.
I thought of you as a friend.
Just as I thought of her. She brought me comfort during a difficult time period. The world will be a darker place without her.
Yeah, well, not for long. Okay, I got all the things. What else do I need?
I'm afraid I don't understand.
What else do I have to bring for it when she comes out of this, you know, Lazarus pit thing?
I would do anything for your daughter. But I destroyed the pit months ago.
The scouring traffic cameras for Evelyn, but I keep striking out. What are you doing here?
What are you wearing?
Which is Oliver speak
What
for beating yourself
in
up.
the world
Thought you were reformed from that.
is that?
Like as good a time as any to bring it back.
Because of Laurel or because of what that girl said?
Bit of both. I tried to do the right thing and I came up short. I came up short for that girl. And for Laurel.
That is the ugliest shirt I've ever
I
seen.
shouldn't feel responsible, but I do.
John was looking for someone to absolve him. Reassure him that what happened wasn't his fault and I couldn't do it.
Girl, they put you in that?
Let him blame himself because for a minute it saved me from blaming me. Hello?
Lila called asking for John. Except he's supposed to be checking in on her. I'm getting a bad feeling about this.
I have trackers on all of you. I'll check and I'll get back to you.
Oh, he's taking shit into his own hands. He's pissed.
Why are we stopping?
Get down!
Damn.
mean, I always enjoy spending time with my constituents.
Damn.
You know who I am. You know exactly who I am. And you know who my brother is.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Stop lying! Get away from her, John. Ah! Stay out of my way! What the hell do you think you're doing? Trying to find Andy?
By attacking the mayor of the city?
By going after Damien Dark's wife?
It doesn't matter if she's Dark's wife. She is the mayor. She has the media. She has the police.
Damn.
I'm so angry I can hardly breathe. It's another minute he can hurt someone I love.
John, I know. But this isn't who you are.
I don't know who I am anymore.
This ain't you, man. This ain't you.
All I know is all I can hold on to is that.
She'd tell you the same thing that I'm going to tell you. You cannot forget who you are. And we can never become them.
Facts. Don't ever stoop to their level.
Have we had any luck tracking down Evelyn Sharp?
No, I keep hitting dead ends. Not the best choice of words. Newslark.
Tonight, my security detail and I were attacked by one of these lawless vigilantes who claim to protect this city. This attack came less than 24 hours after another vigilante named the Black Canary assaulted my chief of staff.
We need to find Evelyn before the SCPD does.
Yes.
Yeah.
I wonder who that was.
Mr. Lance's agony is understandable,
Oh.
but its pain is sharpened by denial. I fear that refusal to accept reality will lead Mr. Lance to take desperate action.
Thank you for letting me know. I will keep an eye on that.
Oliver, are you all right?
Our friend was killed at the hands of a man that I am currently powerless to stop. And his wife...
He's definitely not all right.
Through the mud. And after everything she's done and everything she's stood for, it just doesn't seem right.
You know, I was thinking about what you said in the hallway after Tommy's funeral and wanting to help make the city a better place. We still can.
Laurel Lance. Always try to save the world.
Yeah, but it doesn't have to be just me. You can too. We can do it together.
Oh. That was not a good idea.
I'm really excited about the future, Ollie.
Where the League of Assassins hang their black hoods.
No, that's right. There is no Lazarus Pit and no League in there.
No, but it might be something, just some clue. Right next step on the trail.
There's no trail, Quentin. Laurel is gone, and there is no bringing her back.
No, to hell with that. Don't understand. Right when we lost Sarah, when I became a drunk, but no one else believed in me. She did. She's always been there. She's my rock.
The only thing I don't quite get is how I could have been so blind.
Well, Andy's your brother, you know. We make exceptions for family.
Yeah. And I'm the one constantly telling Oliver not to have a blind spot for family.
And here you are, taking the blame for something that's not your fault. You're just one illegitimate child away from a really awesome Oliver Queen impersonation. But just like we tell Oliver, what happened was not your fault. She's getting revenge for her family.
Well, she's gonna kill Reve Dark. My vote is yes.
It's not just killing Reve Dark. In that mask, in that costume, she'd be killing Laurel's legacy.
We gotta stop her.
We need to find that girl before they do. Hey! Idiot!
That was so easy.
Counter. Second floor
escort 200 people to Liberty Ballroom. Room 8 dark and a lot of innocent people.
On it.
Don't.
Oh shit!
You failed this city!
Maybe you were wearing that mask for a reason. But right now, I need you to ask yourself what the Black Canary wants you to do.
This is killing me, who this actress is. I know who it is. Like, I recognize her.
Arrest him!
Seen this movie before.
Oh my god, she's from freaking Supernatural. Damn, okay. Okay.
As far as the rest of the world is concerned, the Black Canary is now a gun-toting would-be murderer.
I'm not gonna let that happen.
Oh, God.
Oh god.
I never thought we'd be here again.
Me neither. I figured we were punished enough first time, man. I don't think that's gonna happen this time.
How can you say that? Our girls always come back to us, Quentin.
Yeah, maybe before, but not this time. I'm sorry, guys.
There's a possibility. There's a pretty big possibility. This universe does not want to keep people dead.
Mr. Queen has requested to say a few words.
Laurel Lance became a lawyer to help people who may have appeared helpless. She wanted to give a voice to the silent. But just being a lawyer wasn't enough. She wanted to do more for those people and for this city. She loved this city so much. By now, everyone knows that Laurel was killed in the Iron Heights prison riot. And while it's true,
That's why it freaking bothered me. I couldn't see her without that blonde wig on, and then the picture on the screen was so blurry. I was like,
Laurel told me the truth. Laurel Lance was the Black Canary. And for the past few days, I have had to sit and listen to people try and paint the Black Canary as a criminal. She was not a criminal. She was a hero. She was a hero in every way that a person
Mom is
can.
shook.
And if Laurel were here, I know that she would expect all of us to live up to the example that she set.
Damn.
She'd want us to save our city.
Damn. Damn, what a transition.
Never doubt my love for you. You've always seen the best in me because you've always been the best of me. All my love, Oliver.
Damn. Damn. Damn, some of those graves seem like they're really close. There we go! That's the tie-in!
Sorry I missed the funeral. I'm gonna kill him. Is there anything I can do? Want to be left alone?
Wait, what? So he got his speed back? I don't even know how to say her first name. Is it Dina? Dinah? Dina? Here's the other tie-in.
You know what you have to do, right? You have to kill this son of a bitch.
I know. And whenever I have come up against it, I have gone nowhere. He he feels unstoppable.
I refuse to believe that. And I refuse to let you believe that. In Dark Winds, Laurel died for nothing. I fell in love with you for many reasons, and one of those reasons is that you always find a way. And you have to find a way now. For Laurel.
Go on the evil psychopathic killing spree.
For all of us.
All right. We're in the final stretch for the season. The last few episodes. 20, 21, 22, 23. I'm excited. I do think there is a possibility Laurel comes back, because nobody dies on this show. On any of these shows. Which is, you know, it's been a critique of mine. I'm a big fan of heartbreak. You can't really get that if you bring everybody back. But, yeah. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe if you have not already. What's up next? Season 1, Episode 13 of DC's Legends of Tomorrow is up next. See y'all next time.